4 reasons why brown rice helps you lose weight. 1. It is low in density. This means that it can make you full while consuming fewer calories. Its water and fiber components make it low in energy density. It will help you lose weight as it makes you eat less since it fills you up fast. ACPE Academy recommends that you eat brown rice at the start of your meals. It will make you feel less hungry, thus making you eat less of the other foods on the table. There was a study done among women who are on high-density and low-density diets. Those who consumed higher-density food gained weight 3 times more, compared to those who ate lower-density food over a period of 6 years. 2. It facilitates slow sugar release. Another health benefit is that it aids in balancing blood sugar levels through its slow sugar release. It would definitely be beneficial for diabetics on a diet. Research has shown that eating half a cup daily reduces your risk of developing diabetes by 60%. Brown rice releases sugar slowly, thus allowing your body to process it regularly as well. 3. It helps lose fat. Being whole grain, brown rice is not deprived of its nutritional components compared to refined grains such as white rice. In 2008, the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition published a study on people who are on a low-calorie diet that comprises of whole grains such as brown rice and another group on a low-calorie diet with refined grains. Results showed that those who ate whole grains lost more fat in their midsection compared to those who consumed refined grains. Also, 1 cup of rice contains only 1.8 grams of fat, which is roughly 3% of the USDA's daily value of 65 grams. The benefits cover not only your diet needs but also your overall health requirements. This whole grain is full of vitamins, iron, potassium, manganese, and other nutrients. It is filling but not fattening. It can be combined with different edibles or eaten as is, since it has a unique flavor. Integrate brown rice into your diet and experience its weight loss benefits in no time. 4. It is high in selenium. Selenium is a mineral that strengthens your immune system by lowering the risks of getting diseases. Brown rice is rich in selenium, which will give you a good amount of protection from common sicknesses. This is crucial, especially if you're trying to lose weight, as your body is adjusting to new diet regimens and can make you weak during the beginning stages of your diet.